If you're tired of trading time for money, this video will be your turning point. Welcome to this complete guide on 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. Whether you're looking to escape the 9-to-5 or just earn more freedom, I'll walk you through each strategy with real steps you can take. Starting today, let's get into it. Number 1, digital products. Digital products are one of the best ways to earn passive income online. These can be ebooks, online courses, printable planners, Canva templates, or even coding scripts. Why are they powerful? Because you create them once and sell them over and over without having to produce anything again. No inventory, no shipping, just value packaged into a digital file. You can use platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, Teachable, or even Etsy to host and sell them. Start by identifying a skill you already have. For example, if you're good at budgeting, you can create a digital budget planner. If you know how to use AI tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney, teach others through a short course. Create once, earn forever. Number 2, YouTube automation. YouTube is no longer just for vloggers. You can now build a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools and generate income without ever showing your face. Here's how it works. You write a script, or use AI to generate one. Use text-to-speech software to create the voice, add stock footage or AI-generated visuals, and upload regularly with SEO-optimized titles and thumbnails. Once your videos start getting views, you can earn through ads, affiliate links, or even sponsorships. And the best part? Your videos keep working for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Passive income from videos is real, but it requires consistency and patience. This is a strategy where you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Here's the trick. Focus on evergreen products. Things that people will always need, like web hosting, software, or productivity tools. You create blog posts, videos, or social media content once, and they keep driving traffic and sales long-term. For example, write a blog post titled, Top 5 AI Tools for Small Business, and insert affiliate links for each one. People searching for those tools will find your post even months later. Tools like System.io or Notion templates are great to promote. Use platforms like Impact.com, PartnerStack, or the Amazon Associates program to get started. With print on demand, you create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more. But you never handle the inventory or shipping. Here's the workflow. You create a design using Canva or Photoshop, upload it to a site like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful, and when someone buys, the platform prints and ships the product automatically. And you get paid. Focus on niche ideas. For example, shirts for dog lovers, minimalistic motivational quotes, or even astrology themes. Pro tip: use keyword tools to find low-competition ideas people are actually searching for. This is passive once your designs are live and ranked. What's a digital asset? A YouTube channel, a blog, a newsletter, or even an Instagram page. Anything that attracts attention and can be monetized. These assets grow over time and can eventually be sold or used for income. Let's say you build a newsletter around personal finance tips. Once you grow to 1,000 subscribers, you can charge for sponsorships or promote your own products, or build a blog and insert affiliate links. The key is to choose one platform, post consistently, and give value. Digital assets are like online real estate. You build them once and they can pay you for years. If you're serious about creating real passive income in 2025, pick just one of these ideas and go all in. Most people fail because they try 5 things at once. You don't need to do that. Start small, learn fast, stay consistent. The internet makes it possible, but you have to do the work first. If you got value from this video, consider subscribing for more weekly tips on business, money, and productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.